All right, guys, welcome back. We've got Tundi Hunter here at a Walmart. I had an employee give me a case so I can restock for them. This is a J case. Let's see if we've got any supers in here today. Let's open this up. I'm excited to see what we got. Let's turn this sideways so we get a better picture. Alright, so that look like two cars that look just the same, the Super Cubs right next to each other. We've got Count Muscular, Jaguar I-Pace, new electric vehicle, pretty sweet. You got Mad Splash, got a Civic Custom, Batman Animated Series, you got Teed Octu. Don't need any of those, I got plenty of cars, plenty of Civics. Big into JDM stuff. There's another Batman. So you got your Corvette, Diora, Batman Forever. Let's post some of those up. I put some of those up here. We got the Jeep Treasure Hunt. Maybe we'll put that aside, take that one. Alright, you got Batman, Maxima Drift Car, Twin Induction, Twin Mill, SVO. It's nice and neat. We got Gasser, Rock and Railer, Fast Felon. You got Mitsubishi, your Rock and Roller, another Batman from the animated series. It's purple, not black like the show. You got Batman Forever, Mercedes Unimog. You got the Glory Chaser, but that's not the Super. This is not the same case. Let's see here, you got your van. We've seen that casting many times before in many colors. Alright, Cloak and Dagger. Lamborghini, BMW i8. You got your Solero GT. You got your transit van. You got your Tune Charger, the Fast and Furious one. There you go. All right, on to the second half. Let's see what we have here. We're really hoping for a super treasure hunt. So, got another Lamborghini, the Cloud Cutter, Brick and Delivery. We've got Hot Wheels High, Mustang SVO, another Pagani. We've got Cool Combi, Bone Shaker, and Power Wagon. I'll take the Cool Combi. You got another Pagani, Lucid Air in black, Sweet Driver. We've seen a couple different colors of the Lucid now. I believe gold, white, and now black. You've got your Audi, Plymouth, Camaro. My box is in the way, so I'm having a hard time putting these up. You've got Pontiac, Audi, another Glory Chaser, non-super of course. More Batmans, Lightning Bug. Let's see, you got a Hot Wheels High right there. You got Gripsy Fantasy, Matt and Debbie's Thunderbird, another Dodge van. I'm gonna move this case down here so I can put some of those in here. There's that Dodge van that I dropped. Let's see here, another I-Pace, Fast and Furious Corvette, Mad Splash. You got the Tune Silverado, you got Audi Sports, you got the Ford Sierra Cosworth, you got your Roller Toaster, another Thunderbird, another i8, these on here, and our last three, we got no super treasure hunt in this box. Got Tune Twin Mill, which was a treasure hunt last year. I believe it was the black one. You got the Porsche 911, pretty sweet. And unfortunately, non-supercharger hunt. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.